Series. Video 3. In the last video, we talked about series converging or diverging. In this video, we want to talk about the harmonic series. You want to take away that the harmonic series diverges. Let's find out what it is and why it diverges. So here is the harmonic series. You're adding up 1 over n. Down here I have written 2, 4, 8, and so on. That's 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, and so forth. Notice that is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we want to do is we want to look out into partial sums. Look out 2 terms, look out to the 4th term, next to the 8th term, then to the 16th term, and so on. All right, let's explicitly look at what that means. So partial sums of this series, which has a nice name, the harmonic series. So let's look first to begin. S1 is just 1. Now let's start looking out to the second partial sum. So 2, 1, we're adding in 1 over 2. 1 copy of 1/2. Let's jump out now to the 4th term in the sequence of partial sums. Plus 1/3 plus 1/4. So we're looking for the 4th partial sum, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th term. And if we look, we know that 1 is 1, 1/2 is 1/2, but 1/3 is strictly bigger than 1/4. And then a 4th is a 4th. Now, doing that, we come up with our original 1 and 2, 1. On S2, we added 1 copy of 1/2. But now, here on S4, which is 2 raised to the 2, we're getting 2, 1. We're adding 1 and then a second copy of 1/2. So write that as 1 plus 2 copies of 1/2. Okay, so that was looking at S4. Now let's jump out to S8, which is 2 to the 3. So on S8, we're going to have 1 plus 1/2, 1/3, a 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and an 8th. And we know what to do with the first few terms. We'll treat that as 1 plus 1/2 plus another 1/2. That's going to give us 1 plus 2 copies of 1/2. But then looking at the remaining terms, 1/5 is bigger than an 1/8, a 1/6 bigger than an 1/8, a 7th bigger than an 1/8, and 1/8 is exactly equal 1/8. 4 copies of 1/8 is 4 over 8, or a 1/3 copy of 1/2. So S8 is strictly bigger than 1 plus 3 copies of 1/2. So we looked at S2, S4, S8, and noticed that S8 is 2 to the 3. We can conclude that S sub 2 raised to the k, and we've considered the k equal 1, k equal 2, and k equal 3 terms, that S sub 2 raised to the k is bigger than 1 plus k. k copies of 1/2 then as k goes out to infinity, we see that 1 plus k copies of a half will also go out to infinity. And k going out to infinity will clearly force n, capital N, to out to infinity. Hence, our harmonic series is a divergent series. Excellent.